Do you have a limiting view of yourself? Many of us struggle with this, and we're living diminished lives. One tool that we can use to really get a sense of, more holistically who we are is the tool of multiple intelligence theory. And we started unpacking that last time. Today we're going to be talking about the second of 9 intelligences. And the first one was verbal linguistic intelligence, and maybe some of your 2-year-olds have this in spades, and you wish they were a little less intelligent that way. Nonetheless, there is also mathematical logical intelligence, and this seems to be the one that gets really a lot of attention, and it's assumed to be intellectual intelligence, and that tends to be what our society has traditionally viewed as intelligence. Do you have a lot of skill with numbers? Can you figure out logical questions? All right, that's one of the 9 intelligences, and we're going to be unpacking some more. And if you have that intelligence, fantastic. Keep up the good work. Keep working on that. But more importantly, start to consider some of these other intelligences that we're going to unpack and see how you can expand and build on those. Skills are problem solving and performing experiments. Careers are scientists, engineers, accountants, and mathematicians, and many more.